Do you know many people are having trouble with enabling their phone's ringer for calls? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access menu. First, press the menu button on your handset to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate settings. Next, navigate to the ringer setting or ringer volume using the arrow keys. Step 3. Adjust volume. Select the ringer volume option, then use the arrow keys to increase it. Step 4. Save settings. Confirm your selection by pressing the Save or Select button. Step 5. Check silent mode. Finally, ensure the silent mode is off to enable the ringer effectively. Now your Panasonic KX-TGC220 should ring clearly for incoming calls. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Panasonic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.